So this is a response to the Wahoo Kickr Core 2018 model, which has been making grinding noises straight out of the box new. I removed a couple of hex screws and Phillips screws from this plastic shroud along the bottom. I just have mine tipped over here on the side. And after removing that, it makes no more grinding noise. And you can see here on this plastic that you've got a section of plastic that's been ground down, and that, when placed on, aligns perfectly with this belt line here. And so it seems to me that this belt should be completely flush with this bearing, but yet it's actually sitting, it's hard to show here, it's sitting proud of the bearing a little bit, and that seems to be what's driving it into the plastic. So minor issue, I suspect, overall, but it looks like it may need some alignment. Now, it appears you can reduce the tension on this bearing holding the belt up. I haven't yet got into that. I mean, I'm still at the point where this is a brand new unused unit, and I'm not too keen to go fussing around with it too much because I may just return it to the store. So hopefully this helps you guys.